Welcome to our video comparing two top-level espresso machines. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more informative videos like this. The Philips 3200 series espresso machine comes with a higher price tag of $799, while the Mueller premium espresso machine costs $399, which is almost half of the price of Philips. The Mueller Premium Espresso machine offers versatility with dual brew options, using a built-in grinder to grind beans and brew single or double-shot espresso. On the other hand, the Philips 3200 series espresso machine supports brewing coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and other beverages, but does not include the grinding option. The Philips 3200 series espresso machine comes with a touch display that makes it easy to use. It has a 12-step grinder adjustment and durable ceramic grinders that can serve you over 20,000 cups. It also includes an Aqua Clean feature that enables you to make up to 5,000 cups without descaling. However, the feature's Mueller Premium Espresso machine boasts like a conical burr grinder with grind settings ranging from fine to coarse, and a built-in steamer to froth milk makes it stand out as well. And there you have it. While both of these machines have their complementary features, they cater to different consumers based on priorities like pricing, versatility, and features. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.